Horses out, we have in the nick of time. Past the begin, Lady Jaja. Moving up on the outside, Manly Toy Poranza. Then followed by Esquisse, Gobilis, Johnson Diora. And on the outside, Royal Family comes next. Down on the inside is Coquette. And on the outside, Landed Bisa. Hardway, then followed by In the Nick of Time. And trailing the group is number 2, Invincible Ink. Going along for the first turn, we have Go Belize by about 4 lengths now. And in second is Toy Poras. Esquisse in between horses. Lady Jaja moving up, chance on the Aurora outside for the Manly comes next. Then follow the burn now by Royal Family. Down on the inside is Coquette. Hardway, then followed by Landed Bisa, Invincible Ink. And in the nick of time, and it's still Gobilis moving up, Esquisse, Toy Poras. Lady Jaja is down on the inside, Johnson Dior. Esquisse takes the lead by Auralenka. Toy Poras moving up, Johnson Dior on the outside as they come down to the last 150. And it's still Esquisse by about 3 lengths. Johnson Dior moving up, Hardway, Gobilis. But it's still Esquisse by about 5 lengths. Hardway, Johnson Dior, and finally it's Esquisse second. Close, Hardway, Johnson Dior. Then comes Lady Jaja, Toy Poras, Invincible Ink.
Lumampas ba?
Oo.
Si Hardway.
Oo. Clear winner was number 9, Esquisse.